Welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody watching is having a great day. Today we're back with another episode of 1 Minute Sneaker Reviews. This is where I give you a quick review of a shoe that I picked up in under 1 minute. I'll put a link to my last episode up on the screen right here if you want to go and check it out. Make sure you also check out my Instagram if you want to see any of my shoe posts before anybody else does. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Alright, let's go.
Let's go.
Today we're taking a look at an absolute grail, the Jordan Retro 4 Metallic Red. The shoe was released on June 20th of 2020 at a retail price of $190. I got these in a trade for a bunch of Supreme, and they're super clean for being 3 years old. The shoe is a part of a 4-piece metallic pack featuring silver, red, purple, and green. I also have the purple pair, and this pack is an absolute grail for me. Hopefully I can get the other two colors at some point, but for now I'm extremely happy to have obtained the red and the purple pair. The upper is constructed of white leather complete with standard details that include quarter panel netting and a visible air unit in the heel. Contrasting pops of University Red appear on the eyelid and Jumpman branding on the heel and tongue tag. As far as resale, all sizes in this pack go for absolute bread. Since it's a 3-year-old shoe, dead stock pairs go for well above $500, some sizes almost breaking $1,000. I'm most likely just going to wear these and add them to my collection. I'm just excited to put together a fit to match. Well, this has been 1 Minute Sneaker Reviews. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for all of your support and have a great day.